I have made multiple videos on Microsoft Authenticator, and this is the time to learn to use it on the iPhone. So let's get started. This is what it looks like. We have our Microsoft account and some other accounts. However, we'll start anew. The first time we open it, we see this screen. Click Continue. This is the interface to add accounts. Microsoft Authenticator has three main purposes. One is securing your Microsoft account and enabling passwordless sign-in for it. Second is two-factor authentication for any website that supports 2FA. Third is two-factor authentication for your school or organization account. Depending on what you want, you can pick the option. We'll add our Microsoft account first. Tap the bottom link. It will ask you to enter your Microsoft email address. Let's do that. If you already have a passwordless sign-in option such as an Authenticator app on another device, you can sign in with one of those. You can also enter your password here. I will insert my password as most will pick this option. Then tap sign in. As we are dealing with the account security, we'll need to verify this with one of the recovery methods. This step is very important in order to add our Microsoft account to this app. Tap here to see all the available methods. I will pick the phone one as that one is the easiest. It will ask me to put in the last 4 digits of my phone number. The app will then send a code to my phone, and once I enter that code, it will log me in. Lovely. Let's enable Face ID. Tap Finish. Now when you log into your Microsoft account from a new browser, it will send a notification to this phone, and we'll need to tap on it to approve the sign-in request. You can also tap this account to view a one-time code that can be used to log in as well. We can add other accounts by clicking the plus icon at the top. Adding a website that supports 2FA is slightly different, so pay attention. Authenticator supports almost all sites that offer 2FA, and the process is the same for most of them. In this video, I'll use my Discord account. This can be done with 2 devices as well as with just one device. We'll cover both ways. The first thing is to find the 2FA settings. For some they are in the security settings, and for some they are in the account settings. For Discord, they are here in the account settings. As an example, the 2FA settings for this program are in the security settings. Click the enable button. You will see a QR code and a key. Back in the app, click the third button. The camera will pop up with a manual key option. If you have 2 separate devices, you'll need to point the camera at the QR code. It will automatically pick it up. Lovely. If you're only working on one device, copy this manual key from this code. Over here, click this button, and on the top, give it a name. I will enter this code. Then paste the copied key in this option and click finish. Great! Even though both are added through different means, the codes are the same and have the same purpose. I will delete one. The process is not done yet. We must insert whatever code is displayed here on the Discord website. For most, we need to click next to see it, but for Discord, it's right here. Insert the code and click activate. You might need to put in your password as well. Done. Nearly every website offers a backup way in case you can't access the app. Some offer passkey, some offer backup codes, and some offer SMS codes. I'll download the backup codes. Now it's all done. When I log in to Discord from a new location now, it will ask me to put in whatever code is in the app at that time. We can insert a backup code as well. Let's put in the code and hit confirm. We are now logged in. Alright, thanks to iCloud, Microsoft Authenticator saves codes to iCloud automatically. With that, if the app is deleted accidentally or the phone is stolen or damaged, we can install it on a different iPhone to get the codes back. However, a couple of things must be done. First, make sure you are logged into your Apple account on your existing iPhone. Also scroll down and find iCloud. Then click Drive. Ensure the sync option is enabled. Now suppose this is my new iPhone with the same Apple account. I can install the app to get the same codes except for the Microsoft one. For Microsoft, we need to sign into our account again. Tap on it. It will ask you to use your password or pick a passwordless option to approve it. You can follow the process in the first section if you're not sure how to. I will get the code this time and log in. All done. For those who want to enable 2FA for their school or work accounts, you will need to contact your IT department to get access. They will be able to help you out with the setups and resets. Some also request you to register your device, and the option for that is here. Before we go, we can turn off the app lock from the settings. Also, you can copy the codes just by tapping them. Finally, Microsoft offers verified IDs. Some sites support it, so you can scan that site's QR code to verify your ID without sharing your personal information with them. With that being covered, let's end this video. Thanks for watching it and subscribe if it helped. I'll see you next time. Take care.